So I've got this iPhone connected to this speaker through Bluetooth. Now watch what happens when I turn on the microwave. Alright, ready? Oh, what's that? Let's put them a little closer together. Okay. And let's separate them. Man. Let's turn off the microwave.